Mga kapuso, proud na ikinuwento ni Pinay tennis sensation Alex Ayala ang kanyang makasaysayang Wimbledon journey. Kabilang ang pinag-usapang litrato ng kanyang horizontal forehand. Sa gitna niyan at sa pagiging abala sa iba't ibang commitment, kamusta naman kaya ang buhay ni Alex sa labas ng tennis court? Nakatutok si Oscar Oida!
One thing I've learned about myself is how to control my emotions and how I can dictate my emotions rather than let my emotions dictate me.
Hanggang sa pagharap sa Philippine media, bit-bit ng Pinay tennis sensation ang maturity'ng ipinamalas niya sa mundo. Matapos ang tennis grass season, lalo sa Wimbledon. Ngayong taon ay pinatunayang kaya niyang ituloy ang magical run na sinimulan sa Miami Open noong 2025 nang dagdagan pa ang listahan ng mga top 10 players na kaya niyang talunin. Bunga niyan ang ngayon iconic horizontal forehand ni Ayala kung saan kahit nadapa ay pilit niyang inunat ang braso, pinalo ang bola at naipasok sa kabila ng net.
And I'm so grateful because it was a hard shot to do. And when I saw the photo afterwards, wow, parang ginawa ko yun.
At sa kabila ng sunod-sunod na tagumpay at lumalaking pangalan sa mundo ng tennis, nananatiling nakatuntong sa lupa ang 21 anyos na Filipina star. Para kay Alex, mas mahalagang kilala mo ang sarili mo kaysa malulong sa ingay ng kasikatan.
It's not an easy life, I think. We definitely go through our hardships. And maybe a misconception, okay, that's popping into my head is that I've heard, I don't know if this is true, people say that tennis players can be self-centered. I don't think that's true.
Sobrang tight ng schedule ni Alex, kaya ilan sa mga pinaka-na-miss niya ay ang pag-uwi sa bansa.
I haven't had much time to catch up with my family or with my friends that I have from childhood. So that's something I should look into. But that being said, I'm super grateful for everything that I'm able to experience. And every time I come home, I'm very, very happy.
At kagabi, nang ipaghanda siya ng reception sa Malacanang ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na aminadong big fan.
We have found a champion, a champion who has made the Philippines proud. We are all, 110 million of us, we are all here behind you, willing you on to greater success.
I feel like all the hard work that I've done is seen. All the hours that aren't on TV are seen and validated and appreciated. So thank you so much.
Paghanga pa ng Pangulo kay Alex, anuman daw layo ng narating ng tennis star, bit-bit niya ang puso ng isang Pilipina.
You never fail to remind everyone that you are a Filipina. That's very touching for all of us, that you don't forget the rest of us. You don't think that you're somehow left it all behind. Quite the contrary. You always seem to give the impression that it is because you're a Filipina that you're doing so well.
I will continue to represent the Philippines in the best way that I possibly can. I carry the flag with me wherever I go. And I am a firm believer that where you come from is a big part of who you are.
Ang tanong, may buhay pa ba siya outside tennis?
Yes, I have a life outside of tennis. I love to go out with them when our schedules align. I love to try new places. When I'm traveling a lot, I love to try the food. It's difficult to have hobbies that are like other sports or physically demanding because I do give everything that I have into the sport that I'm in.
Ang love life, meron ba?
I love my family. I love so much. I love my family. I love my job. I love my friends. I love myself. So there is so much love.
Sa ngayon, naghahanda na muli si Alex sa iba't ibang sasabakang international tennis tournament, kabilang ang Asian Games. Oscar Oida, nakatutok, 24 oras.